Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Ajazz AK820 Max. This is a wireless mechanical keyboard, very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money changed hands, they didn't ask me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So this is the box it comes supplied in, and I just want to show you the back panel here. You can see it's the AK820 Max, and this has got the Sea Salt Switch version 2. It's available in various colours, and this one is the black, grey, yellow combination that you can see here. Inside the box we get an instruction manual. It's going to get you up and running and guide you through the various shortcuts you can use to customise the keyboard. So really nice instructions included. We also get a keycap puller and switch puller as well. And then we get a nice long USB-A to USB-C cable. And then just look at this stunning looking keyboard with a really nice colour combination. Let's just touch on this first of all. The colour combination, of course there are some other variations available, but this black, grey, yellow combination is very striking indeed. We've got the light grey for all of the main keycaps, and then a slightly darker grey for the tab, caps lock, shift, etc. And then this really nice contrasting colour escape, spacebar and enter key. We've also got delete page up, down and end, and the little arrow keys down on this side here. This is a nice compact keyboard, of course, no numeric keypad, but really nice if your desk space is limited. You can still get a very nicely featured keyboard. Now we have got a little tiny screen here. I'll show you that in use very shortly. There's also a rotary dial and button in this top corner. We've got a nice angle to the keyboard as well, and you can extend that angle. There are some little feet that pop out on the back here. And if we lift up this foot here, you can just see just here we have got the USB dongle, so you can use this wired, Bluetooth or RF 2.4 gigahertz, and this is the little RF dongle. So really nice, it just stores away under there and it can't come out accidentally while that foot is flipped down. There's also rubberized feet in each corner as well. Across the back panel here you can see we've got the Windows and Mac switch, so we can switch between Windows or Mac. We've also got the USB connection for using it wired and also for charging the internal battery. And then we've got a three-way switch here. To the left is for Bluetooth, in the middle is USB, and to the right is 2.4 gigahertz. And if I show you this screen as we turn it on, you can see the little screen comes on with the Ajazz branding there. And then we've got some really useful information. It's gone into BT pairing mode at the moment, but we have got some useful information that pops up there. If I just turn it on once more, it displays things like the connectivity, the date and time, etc. Very nice indeed, and it'll show you what mode you're in. We've also got backlighting on this keyboard, really nice backlighting, very evenly lit. In fact, let me just turn my studio lights off briefly, and that will give you a better look at the keyboard backlighting. So let's just make it a little bit darker in here, and there you can see this really nice keyboard backlighting. It looks absolutely stunning, really very nicely done. So let's give you a little flavour of how the keyboard sounds whilst you're typing on it. Very nice indeed. It's got a nice actuation to it, a nice quick feel, very nice responsiveness to this keyboard. Now I transition across from lots of keyboards. My main keyboard is a full size with a numeric keypad. Moving across to this one was absolutely fine. Of course I missed my numeric keypad, but when your desk space is limited, having a keyboard like this with really good mechanical switches in it is exceptionally good experience, and I've been very impressed with how this feels. The spring back and the actuation on the keys is very good indeed. We've got this initial sort of press down, and then of course the actuation, and then the responsiveness is just very, very good. Really nice indeed. And I also love this sort of slight sort of curved angle coming up down to the shift key here. It's a very, very nice looking keyboard, really nicely marked, and great for both productivity and for gaming as well. This is a good mechanical keyboard, and the fact that it works with Mac or Windows, and also the fact we've got this multi-connectivity option where you can use it wired, Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz, all adds up to a really compelling package. So that is it for my review. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.